In life we had to deal with some difficult people and we wish that we completely have avoided them. And they have put our life into a pretty messy state. So here are three types of people you should completely avoid. The first one is people who invalidate you, people who lower you. You should always be in a friend group or meet someone or be friendly with someone who give you the same respect as they give themselves, right? Why do you want to make friends or meet people that completely invalidate you? The second thing is judgmental people. We all have met them in our life, but we just think, they're kind to us, they're just judgmental to other people. But it's better if we just stay out of line with them and we don't know what they might be doing on our back. The next one is self-centered people. They're just far too self-centered to care about what you do. Really, they just don't care about you. And of course, we want people who care about us in our lives, so we just have to take them out. And if you do like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And please leave a comment down below.